My father is an honest man. I've seen him religiously wake up, get to work, come back and spend some time with us. I've also seen him properly filing his taxes, and being an ideal citizen, he has been my inspiration. So when the first time I had to file taxes, I called him up and asked that I've worked so hard, paid all my bills on time and acted responsibly. Why do I have to pay income tax? What he then said made me think differently about being a working responsible citizen. I realized that even though I had the privilege of going to a private school, 65% of the students in the country study in government schools. I realized that I might have had the privilege of visiting doctors with their own practices. There is still 1/3 of the rural population that has to go to a government hospital. The roads that I drive on, the services that I enjoy, all get funded by my income tax. My father made me realize that we, the youth of the nation, need to understand that no matter where our interests lie, our responsibility as a citizen entails income tax. That we need to study the union budget and understand thoroughly the taxes that we need to give, the deductible incomes that we can avail and the reliefs we can enjoy. We can argue that we aren't taught about these financial responsibilities in school, but we can't ignore that most of us face the idea of income tax with a little hesitation. My father built a family, fed us, clothed us, and educated us. Let us have our hopes and dreams. He studied the budget and made an internal budget of his own. I dream of giving him a house someday. This dream of affordable housing would only be met through tax-deductible home loans. The budget 2022 is expected to bring the limit up to Rs 5 lakh. Especially the tax reliefs for individuals affected due to the pandemic are yet to come, and with them a hope of an increase in the standard deduction limit. From the smallest change in the slab rate to an extension of the tax holiday scheme, all impact our daily lives greatly. Your vigilance to your tax bracket can help you build a better life. Apply smartly for jobs and adjust properly for inflation and development, my father said. And then he continued telling me about some random story from his college days, which I had heard 100 times before. It still made me laugh. I couldn't thank him enough. समस्या का समाधान, budget पर दो ध्यान. For the complete analysis of the union budget and how it impacts your finances, do log on to the Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our channels and click on the bell icon to stay updated on all things money.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.